kids, and welcome back to KidBits. Today we want to take a look at the sensing commands. But instead of showing you each and every single command, I'm going to show you an example what you can do with it, and then you can discover the rest on your own. Okay, let's not waste any more time, let's get right in. Okay, as you can see, we're back in our editor, and here we have our sensing commands on the left side. And some of them you actually might recognize from a previous episode because we used some of them. And for example, the touching mouse pointer is actually 2 episodes back. Or also the key space pressed. Anyway, we want to use instead this one. Ask what's your name and wait. Now, the cool thing about this is you can basically make the cat ask you, the user, what is your name or any other question, and then you have to type in the answer. And I'm going to show you how to do that. And then the cat is going to give you back whatever you type in. So, and that we can obviously do with our say command, but instead of writing something into it, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. I'm going to go back to sensing, and we're going to take this one. This is called a variable, and this is the variable answer. So we're going to put it right in here, and now, if we trigger this, look what happens. So the cat says, what's your name? So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to type in my name, and I'm going to press OK. And as you can see here, instead of saying answer, it actually gives me back what I typed in. And that's what variables are good for. But that's a subject for another video. But anyway, so you can do a lot of cool things with all these commands, and you might have noticed that they have different shapes. That is because all those that are rounded can be put into anything that is rounded. Like here, I could put this one in there. Or like you can see that all these different commands, they have different shapes. Like everything that is rounded, you can put a rounded command into it. Or some of them are more squarey, like these ones. Like you can put the square ones inside of those. That is what they are good for. And they are all about sensing stuff. Like sensing the mouse pointer, sensing like the edge, sensing a color, what have you. And so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time at KidBits.